So today's video is going to be all about this hair that I have in my head right now. I'm going to be giving you a few details about the wig, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I managed to lay this wig using only my Got To Be glue freeze spray. So I didn't use any of the actual gel at all. I only used this freeze spray and it worked pretty good. So this is how it's looking. I told y'all the curl pattern would definitely change. So this is like the natural wave of the hair.